We just put our little Coraline in the swing. She just had her dinner. Someone guzzled it down a little too fast. Now she's got the hiccups. Isn't that right, kid?
Watch, now she's not going to do it.
Oh no, she's still got them. It's okay, kid. You can overcome them. Oh, no. They're still going.
My poor baby.
Oh. Oh.
She's so expressive.
Yeah. If anyone's watching this, yes, we know a little bit of sugar will make the hiccups go away, but you have to understand, this kid gets hiccups every single time she eats. So after a while, you start realizing you're feeding her like a Snickers bar worth of sugar. So you have to go easy on it. Well, judging by the look, I think she's a little sick of us peering into her private time. We'll just let her resolve these hiccups, and we'll visit her some other time when she's feeling a little better. Yeah. Oh.